All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. Certainly, we have a good one, and we're actually at the JC Stadium now. I stop calling official name, because every time I call the official name, people cuss me. It's Ashenheim, whatever I want to name. I say JC Stadium. So we have a match. We have Mount Pleasant versus Chapelton this evening. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about a list of players that have been released to represent under 20 players in a two-day camp this week, selected by John Wall, the 27th and the 28th. I'm presently, if you guys see, Mount Pleasant that kicks on shot, ball I go all over the place, bro. Me have to watch myself like a target range, but well, I'm not range still because I'm kick ball all over the place, rather than a goal. Anyways, so these are the names, people. These are the names. So guys, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Join the family. Please join the family. All right, so first of all, we have Asha Hutchinson, Arnett Garden, Akeem Bernard, Phoenix Academy, Anthony Bennett, Harborview FC, Romain Blake, Waterhouse FC. I hear Dixon, Mount Pleasant. Great to see him. Devante Adges, Dumby Olin FC, David Edwards, Waterhouse FC, Christopher Ainsworth, Cavaliers FC, Omari Henry, Cavaliers FC, Jerome McCleary, Cavaliers FC, Malachi Douglas, Dumby Olin, Kaheem Dixon, Chapelton Maroons. I do believe that my apologies, Kaim is actually on it, so I don't know what this is in Chapelton. Dujan Richards, Phoenix Academy, Clear Clark, Cavaliers, and Diego Mackenzie, Tivoli Garden. So those are the list of the names of the players that are selected for the two-day camp. Certainly, I'm looking forward to hear more about it. There's not a lot of details coming out about it right now, so there's still some things pending to get started out. Hopefully, it come out as soon as possible so we can know what is happening. People, take care of yourself. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, people, and we are out. Boom.